Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the DaVinci Resolve software on your PC and start by creating a new project. After that, you will be sent to this editor. Now import the target video, then add it to the timeline by clicking and dragging it onto the timeline at the bottom. Once done, right-click on the video inside the media pool section at the top and select Timeline Settings from the drop-down menu. After that, a dialog box will appear. Inside it, you can see all of the settings are grayed out and are non-customizable. In order to change them, click on this Use Custom Settings button at the bottom left corner and they will become editable. In the Timeline Resolution section, you will be able to change the resolution along with aspect ratio. If you notice, the aspect ratio is written at the end of every resolution. Simply select the preferred resolution and you can see that the video's aspect ratio has been changed. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.